Hi, my name is Jonathan Foley, and today I'm going to be talking about technology and education. I wanted to research the importance of technology in education because I feel that technology can be a great tool so that students can firstly become accustomed to technology, more importantly, keep them engaged in our technological world. So we're going to take a look at what I found. I will describe the findings of my research that were most important to me in my annotated bibliographies. Justin Reich, in his article, Teaching Our Way to Digital Equity, found that students in affluent, mostly white schools were mostly praised when playing around on computers, while students in other schools, such as Latino school, were viewed more negatively. So there appears to be a disconnect among schools on the importance of technological knowledge, which can influence how teachers and students view technology. So if students are encouraged to play around and really get used to using it, then they view technology more positively. In their study on the use of blogs as an educational tool, Fiatro and DeGragio found that students were able to more actively participate in learning, with the biggest challenge being access to computers. So, for instance, in an actual classroom, it can be hard for teachers to find ways to make sure that every student participates in discussion. Whereas in the use of a blog, such as our discussion boards, it's a lot easier to make sure that every student's opinion is heard. Overall, I felt that after research, my view on technology in education was unchanged. Technology was found to be an important tool, but it's important to use that tool in the right manner. So definitely the use of blogs to help make sure that we're getting every student's opinion. But then also just for, the use of technology as extra practice if needed for schools. Thank you very much.